Good morning, children. Now this is 6th class social studies. We already completed 7 lessons, children, in this lesson in this class. Now this is the 8th lesson. What is that 8th lesson? Kingdoms and empires. What are that? Kingdoms and empires. Children, I already said to you, kingdom or empire. What is the meaning of kingdom? It is a particular territory which is ruled by one man or leader. He is king. Okay, children? So that is called kingdom or that is called empire. In our country, in ancient period, many small kingdoms are there or empires are there. They wanted to extend their empires. In this way, what did they do? They fought between or they fought another empire. Okay, children? They defeated the another empire. When they conquered the another empire, they made that defeated empire into this empire. That is why they established or they extended their kingdoms is a vast one. Okay, children? Next, in this lesson, we will know about or we will learn about Mauryan dynasty, Gupta dynasty, South Indian dynasty. So here 3 dynasties are there, children. What are they? Maurya dynasty, Gupta dynasty, South Indian dynasty. What is the period between Maurya dynasty? Look at, children, 322 to 187 BCE. It is not after Christ, children, before Christ. Okay. So this is the period of Mauryan dynasty. I repeat, 322 to 187 BCE. This is the period of Mauryan dynasty. Next, children, Gupta dynasty. So this Gupta dynasty period is this one, 319 to 543 BCE. 319 to 543 BCE. Okay. Next one, here you look at this one, South Indian dynasties. How many South Indian dynasties are there? These are North Indian dynasties. We know our India, it has 2 parts, North India 1 part, South India 1 part. So these 2 dynasties we can find in North India. What are the 2 dynasties? Mauryan dynasty, Gupta dynasty. What is the period of Maurya dynasty? 322 to 187 BCE. Next, Gupta dynasty, 319 to 543 BCE. Okay, children? Here, South Indian dynasty are 4, children. Look at, children. First one is Satavahanas. Second one is Ikshvakas. Third one is Pallavas. Fourth one is Chalukyas. Okay, children? Satavahanas, Ikshvakas, Pallavas, Chalukyas. So these 4 dynasties we can find in South India. South India means what are the states of South India? Okay, look at, children. Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra. Okay, next Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. So these all states locates in South India, children. Okay, children, South India. Look, children, for example, this is our country. This is our country. So look at, this is North India, this is South India, children. Okay, children. So here you can find AP, Telangana, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Okay, children. Odisha. Okay, etc. States are there in this area, children. So this is South India, children. This is North India. Okay, children. In South India, how many? Satavahanas, Ikshvakas, Pallavas, Chalukyas are ruled. Okay. Now look at here. In the previous lesson, that means in 7th lesson, what we discussed? We discussed about 16 kingdoms of Magadha. How many kingdoms of? 16 kingdoms. Anga, okay, Asmaka, okay, so Kurukshetra. So many kingdoms are there. I already discussed in the seventh lesson, children. Okay. Now look at empire. I said already about empire. Empire is one of the territory which is ruled by one leader. He is called Rajan. He is called Raja or King, Empire, etc. Okay, children, Emperor, etc. Now look at here. In this lesson, the first one is Mauryan dynasty. What is that dynasty? Mauryan dynasty. What is the period of this Mauryan dynasty? 322 to 187 BCE, children. So in this Mauryan dynasty, who established this or started this Mauryan dynasty? Chandragupta. What is his name? Chandragupta Maurya established this Mauryan dynasty, children. You keep in mind his name, children. Chandragupta Maurya. Okay. So from Magadha. Okay, children. Next, children. Here Kautilya also one of the important one. With the help of Kautilya from Mahapadmananda. What is his name? Mahapadmananda. So from Mahapadmananda, Chandragupta Maurya established this Mauryan Empire with the help of Kautilya. Okay, with the help of Kautilya. That means Chandragupta defeated Mahapadmananda with the help of Kautilya. So he was the founder of this Mauryan dynasty or kingdom. Next, children, in North India, he ruled from Pataliputra. What is the capital of this Mauryan dynasty, Mauryan Empire? Pataliputra. Now it is present Patna. What is that? Patna. Bihar capital what? Patna. Okay. Now it is in Bihar, children. Bihar, Patna. On olden days it is called Pataliputra. Pataliputra was the capital of Mauryan Empire. Who was the founder? Chandragupta Maurya with the help of Kautilya from Mahapadmananda. Okay, Mahapadmananda belongs to Magadha Empire. Okay, next one, children. So he extended vast kingdom in North India. Okay, next one here, Megasthenes. He was the Greek ambassador, children. Greek ambassador. Okay, so he worked. Okay, Chandragupta Maurya, under Chandragupta Maurya. Okay, so in India, Chandragupta Maurya. Next, children, this Megasthenes wrote one book, children. That book name is Indica. What is that book name is? Indica. Indica was written by who? Megasthenes. Who? Megasthenes. Next, children, Kautilya. He was also one prominent or important man. So he was the Prime Minister of Chandragupta Maurya. Prime Minister of Chandragupta Maurya. He was the ambassador of Chandragupta Maurya from Greek, children. Who was Megasthenes? He wrote one book. What is that book? Indica. Next, children, Kautilya. So Kautilya was the Prime Minister of Chandragupta. So he also wrote one book, children. That book name is Arthashastra. What is that book? Arthashastra. Next, children, after Chandragupta Maurya, his son came as king. His name is Bindusara. So he is the son of Chandragupta. Look, children, he is the son of Chandragupta. So Bindusara, after his son came, his name is Ashoka. That means Ashoka was the grandson of Chandragupta. Ashoka was the son of Bindusara. So Ashoka wanted to expand his kingdom in north and also in south, children. So in this way, his his grandfather left one place. He wanted to conquer that place. What is that place? Kalinga. What is that place? Kalinga. So he wanted to conquer and occupied Kalinga. Who? Ashoka. So that is why he sent his soldiers, army. So between Kalinga king and soldiers, Ashoka soldiers, they fought each other. But in this way, Ashoka got victory, children. Ashoka got victory. But when he entered into the battlefield, he saw many dead bodies, so much blood, so many people wounded and suffering. So that is why he felt so sorry and he decided not to stop war, children. He decided to stop war. Not only himself but also his son and after his grandson. Okay, so that's why he wanted to follow Dhamma. Dhamma means dharma. So dharma is the real one. Okay. So next one, he followed Buddhism, children. What is that? Buddhism. So in this Buddhism, what he learned from Buddhism? Non-violence. Non-violence means not to hurt any man or any animal or any creatures in the world, children. So that is why he got a fame, children. Okay, children. So that is about Ashoka. I want to show you some pictures here. Look, children. Now look at. So this is the kingdoms and empire. Now look at how they built this one. It is a temple which was built by the kingdom at the time of kingdoms and empires time. Okay, children. Is it clear, children? Okay, now listen. I said about in these three categories. First one is Mauryan dynasty, second one is Gupta dynasty, third one is South India dynasty. Okay, children? These two are North Indian dynasties or kingdoms. These four are South Indian dynasty kingdoms. Satavahanas, Ikshvakas, Pallavas, Chalukyas. Okay, children? Now you turn the page number here. Here look at the empire of Ashoka 2250 years ago. So this is the vast empire which was occupied or ruled by Ashoka. So if you carefully observe, some names are here: Takshashila, okay, Pataliputra. I said about Pataliputra. Pataliputra was the capital of their empire. Pataliputra at present name is Patna. Patna is the capital of Bihar. What is that? Bihar, one of the state of our India. Okay, children? So now look at from south here they extended their kingdom. So I said about Kalinga. So now look at, children, this is Kalinga. At present Kalinga is in the state of Odisha. What is that? Odisha. Odisha capital is Bhubaneswar. Okay, children? Now this is your lesson, children. The remaining lesson I shall teach you in the next class. Next, children, here look at, I said about Megasthenes. He was a Greek ambassador. He was in the court of Chandragupta Maurya. He wrote a book named Indica, which is a source to know about the Mauryan administration, children. It is telling about the administration of Maurya. Next to children, Kautilya is also known as Vishnugupta, was also known as Chanakya. He was the prime minister of Chandragupta Maurya. Okay, children. He wrote one book. That book name is Ardhashastra. What is that book? Ardhashastra. Okay, children. Thank you.